Screech Owl, Huron Ave in Cambridge. Tuesday, March 24th, 2015, about 7 o'clock. Catch that? He just let a pellet.
Oh.
He just coughed up a pellet.
We can't get any closer, right? We can't get any closer, right?
This guy, people have been taking pictures against the tree.
God, can I move up and take a picture?
Yeah, he's
So cute.
oblivious to.
I sent it to my grandson.